guys, welcome back to my channel. So firstly, I would like to apologize to you guys for taking too long to upload a video. Things got really hectic last year, like academic wise, things got really hectic, so it was a game of catch up. So most of the time I had to catch up on my work and stuff, so I didn't really have time to make videos and upload and stuff like that. So during the December holidays I went home, and in case you guys didn't know, I'm from Limpopo and the place is hard, you guys. I tried, honestly though, every time when I try to do my makeup, like it would just separate, especially here. So I couldn't do my makeup properly because I was sweating most of the time, and like I couldn't make any videos. But anyways, that's all in the past now, so I am back and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So this is a glam, I don't even know what to call it at the moment, but we'll see what I call it. But it's a cut crease, so, and it's very easy to do. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, comment, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Okay guys, so I'll be using the Beauty Glazed Color Studio palette, and I'll be going in with that burgundy shade. So I'm just gonna pat it before I blend it out using a small brush. So now to blend out that color, I'm gonna use the color right next to the one that I applied first. Sorry, using a much fluffier brush. Now to make sure that color is blown out, I'm gonna use a bigger fluffy brush. Now to cut the crease, I'm gonna use a concealer brush, and I'm using an eyeshadow base primer as the Essence one. So what I do is I apply it on my lid, and then I look up. You see right there, that's where you need to cut your crease. So when you're cutting, you need to get there. So I hope you guys get what I'm saying, but you'll see what I do, how I do that. So now going in with the first brush that we used, I'm gonna blend out the ends of that cut crease to make sure that everything is smooth. So now I'm applying a bronze color on my cut crease using a small concealer brush. So now moving on to the face, you guys know I'm using my favorite foundation, the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade, yes, deep golden. To highlight, I'm using the LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. So now I'll be setting the concealer using the Yardley loose powder in the shade Cappuccino mixed with translucent, absolute translucent. Yes, so I mixed those two powders because the other one is a bit dark for highlighting and the other one is way too light for my skin tone, so I mixed them up to get the right shade for myself. Now to contour, I'm using the LA Gold face powder in the shade Dark Cocoa. So now to set the face, I'm using the MOD setting spray. So now going back to the eyes, I'm going to apply those two matte shades and I'm going to also apply the black eyeliner. Now to highlight the face, I'm using my all-time favorite highlighter, the Wow Shimmer from this Glam. Boom, I have my eyelashes on. Sorry guys, I apologize for applying my eyelashes off camera, but I'm still having problems applying my eyelashes. So now to the lips, I'm applying the Essence lip liner in the shade Hot Chocolate. And now I'm using the Catrice matte lipstick in the shade Muddy, and I'm gonna blend it out using a lip brush. Now to set my face one last time, I'm using W7 Illuminating Setting Spray in the shade Rose Gold. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.